Buteraniro-Nyeihanga Town Council, Rwampara District, has a population of slightly more than 30,000 people, and district officials say they have received less than half of the nets required. They call upon the Ministry of Health to look into the matter as the district is grappling with increased cases of malaria.
The population we submitted to the ministry is not equivalent to what the mosquito nets that have been delivered or distributed. For example, a case in the point of the Town Council, where I am, the mosquito nets that they were delivered and what we are distributing are less. In fact, it is a half of the population, meaning that we have that challenge. Maybe the ministry officials will look into it so that we get more.
The community is not adopting, because one of the things which they are not doing basically is, I look at it that they look at treatment, they don't look at prevention first. But now they're emphasizing treatment through pre-prevention through distribution of long-lasting nets, which they have taken up, and we hope for the best. I think the trend which we've been having will have to reduce after giving them nets. You know, they did registration 2 days ago. Even today they will still continue the registration, but like for these big sales, I could give an example with this Nyanga town sale, only. The population which was given is close to 3,000, and yet the people are beyond 10,000 within just one village. It is big. So that one they can't capture it. We can't give them all. But at least what we have, we shall write to the center requesting for more nets.
The National Mosquito Net Distribution Campaign in Wave 3A has started, and 18 districts will be covered to combat the spread of malaria. Senior Communications Officer at the Ministry of Health, Aine Wiona, urged the residents to put the mosquito nets to their intended use, stating that it is the sure way of reducing malaria burden in the country.
These nets should not be used to rear chicken, should not be used to fish. Here people can use them also for fishing, and also caution them that those ones who will misuse them will be punished, which is emphasis that they should be put to right use. The malaria epidemic, the cases are at least coming down owing to the interventions the Ministry of Health deployed. We had a number of epidemic districts, largely in eastern and part of northern Uganda, but we have had a number of interventions.
By the end of November 2023, the government will have distributed over 28.5 million long-lasting insecticide-treated mosquito nets across the country to combat malaria morbidity and mortality. Zahara Abigaba, UBC News.